Hey YouTube, it's Trimboy and welcome back to another video. Today, we're here at Happy Joe's, but we're at a different Happy Joe's now, than when I went to see my cousins, Eliza and Jackson. This time we're with Desmond and Grant, and we're at a different one here, and we're gonna do some bowling. Grant is right here, doing his thing. It looks like you're spectating something. Hey! What are you doing? And there's Desmond. Okay, what is going on? And looks like they're chasing me. Hold on. All right, here goes my brother. All right, it's my turn.
Yeah, buddy, look at them all. You got 8. Wow.
Oh, bummer. Just leave him alone. Oh, that was closer.
Make sure you gotta put some force into it.
Oh no! Oh no! Please, no! 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 I gotta get away. Okay. Here's the photographer, known as my grandma, cousin Desmond. My papa is like this too.
Look, you got straight. That's up there. Look at that.
My brother, my other brother, and my mom. Okay. Okay. I gotta get out of this.
Go around the other side.
Ah. All right, guys.
There you go, bud. Good job. Nice job.
All right, guys. That was me who just pissed. There's the one who tried to take me.
You did better that time.
And it looks like they're going to do it. I'm gonna take some photography too. Come on, come on. Ooh. So close, Des. Oh no. Oh. I'm trying to take the camera out of my hands. Okay. And now I'm sitting in here. Oh.
Because it was coming off the strike.
Okay.
You still have get another ball, so you're still flashing because
So-
you're on a strike.
This is me.
Strike, you get another.
I'm on the
I got
bottom.
one.
There's
did.
Des, who's getting
Des
ready.
did.
Yeah, but nobody saw it.
I saw it.
You need to tell us when you get one.
I saw it.
That looks like that's a. Ooh.
You're good at this.
You almost got. I thought you were about to get a spare. Looks like my brother's, second brother's turn.
Oh my gosh. 51. 51?
Yeah, do that.
Okay, you're going to Grant.
Take some photography.
I was worried about my phone.
Ooh. Ooh. Nice. Ah, I'm trying to. Hey.
Take your time.
There goes my brother again.
Oh, man, nice. You overcompensate.
Okay, my turn. All right.
You just went this way.
Woo! Good job. All right. Look at him. He's got 34. All right.
There you go.
Look at the screen. Now it's Desmond.
Oh, that was close. Good try. It looked good, and then it just rolled over to the side.
Yep.
That happens sometimes.
Yep. Should be going soon. I'm gonna have to split this video in two because
It's long, huh?
I don't want to waste all my.
Yeah, camera. No.
Oh, bummer.
Here comes Desmond getting his ball, and then he's gonna shoot it off the railing. Okay, with this. Good job. It's like on the Wii. Ooh. Oh, oh, oh!
Okay, Granty, your turn.
And also, our pizza's arriving by this lady. And then we have this. There's a bowling desk. But yeah, one time when I was here, there used to be a little arcade thingy that kind of didn't work or something, but they removed it. And they broke into that area or something like that. And it looks like the Cubs are playing or something. I don't know what this is. Actually, no, that's not the Cubs. Or, I mean, that's not the Bears. I thought. Why do I keep getting mixed up with Cubs and Bears? Okay, I'm gonna pause it. Ooh. Oh!
Okay, arrows are on Desmond. 6. Good job. Okay, try it.
Wish me good luck, you Timbers.
Okay, good luck. Ooh. Bummer.
You got them all.
I like it.
Wow.
Good job.
Here we go. Let's see if he can do it.
Come on. No. Cameron, get out of the way.
Okay. Ooh, you were so close, Grant. You almost got it. Good job. Oh, mine. Stop it. Alright, guys. Oops. I got my pizza. Now. So hot. Ow. It's so good, guys.
Thank you. That was good.
Alright, guys.
There you go. That's pretty good. Do you think it's 7 years old?
Bend over. Attaboy.
Ooh, I think you're gonna get a couple. Oh, maybe not. Good try.
Alright, guys. Okay. back to eating.
Okay, Desi, do first. Hey, Grant, what's here? Ready for some pizza? Want to try that?
So good.
Cameron, I got my
Hold on, guys.
on my pizza is skinny.
Nice.
Look,
Both gonna eat in front of the
just
camera.
like Des has.
Yeah. We're both gonna eat in front of the camera, I guess.
Grant have pizza. You want to sit up here with the boys?
You like to have all the
Alright, so looks like my cousin does and Grant are sitting with me.
Okay, have another bite and then it's time to eat again.
How is it? Good. Pretty good? Yeah. It's so good, guys. Oh, it's Thomas, my turn.
Hey, Grant, take a bite and then.
Alright, see you later, guys. Hold on. Alright, guys. Make sure you, give this video a thumbs up with Grant and Desmond. So, I'll see you next time, guys. Goodbye.